Hello everyone, welcome to my shop. This is going to be a quick video on how to install RS3 brake deflectors on my Mark 7 Golf R. The process should be the same for GTIs, for Mark 7, Mark 7.5 Golf Rs, S3s, A3s, anything with the MQB lower front control arms. These are real simple, they just zip tie right on. I'm going to get the vehicle up in the air, get some lights underneath, and I'll show you how to do it. The install of these, as I said, is really simple. Doesn't take a lot of parts. You need a left and a right brake deflector. They come with the zip ties. They are marked left and right. I will go ahead and list the part numbers in the description below. The install of these is really simple. You just got to match up left and right. These just snap over top the control arm. One thing to note, these are meant for the aluminum lower control arms of the RS3. So on these steel control arms, it's a little bit tighter fit. Held on by 3 zip ties. There's a notch here in case you've got a ride height sensor. So you just got to kind of work it over the top. I've got a all-track skid plate, which is making this a little bit harder. But once you get it over, so it kind of snaps into place just underneath the sway bar. It's going to catch air coming from underneath the car and duct it right up to the brakes. So I'm going to go ahead and before I put the zip tie on, just kind of want to show you where it goes. So you've got this large hole in the control arm. One of the notches one of the zip ties goes through there. The other 2 snap around the back side, and this first one here actually clips underneath. The other ones do not actually clip. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the zip ties around and we'll go ahead and get fastened up. We've got all 3 zip ties fed through and snugged up. I'm actually going to use a zip tie tensioner. These are super handy. They cut them flush, works really good if you're dealing with any electronics or stuff in the car. But you just need to get them snug and trim them off as flush as you can. So that's the install. Super easy. The way these work, once again, they just kind of catch air coming up from here and underneath the car and deflect air up to the brake. Super easy upgrade if you're doing track days or anything with your car. It just helps keep the brakes a little bit cooler. For anybody who's worried about the durability of the zip ties, I've had these on the car actually for 3 or 4 years now, including through multiple winters driving through snow up to the bumper. Never had a problem with them. The only reason I am doing the install again now is because I had taken them off because I was doing some work on the lower control arms. That's it for the install. As I said, it's super easy. It'll take you more time to get the vehicle up in the air on ramps or on jack stands to do this. You don't need to remove the wheels. You don't even have to be that high off the ground. You just need to be high enough to access that lower control arm. If you like this video, if you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. Have any questions, leave a comment below. Please, as I said, please like and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be getting this vehicle back out to the track here soon, so there'll be some good videos coming. Thanks again.